I tried these viral cleaner tablets for my washing machine, and what I saw inside honestly surprised me. Leftover detergent, mineral buildup, and gunk sitting deep inside. So I dropped in one true fresh tablet and let it do its thing. It works deep inside the drums, seals, and pipes where buildup actually collects. That's all the filth leaving your washer. If you've never cleaned your washing machine like this, it's overdue. Click below and get true fresh washing machine cleaner tablets today.